Jackson threatens Zweletu, while Petunia tells Pilile to shoot Mabizela if he ever tries anything funny. And then Umandla finds the gun in Pilile's bag. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So, Zweletu noThandiswa, after a quarrel about what they're going to do with Jackson appears in their hotel room in the morning to warn Zweletu, saying, I know you guys have been, what you guys have been doing. I know you wanted to kill me, but I'm a survivor. So, nje, watch your back. I'm out to get you. Hey! Uzwelethu avela tshela uThandiswa ukuthi lo muntu befikile erumini lethu. Said we should watch our back. I think we should just stop with our plan for now. My concern right now is to take care of you and the baby. When you're pregnant, you need to put that first. That's my priority. And then the captain goes to Jackson saying, Guti, they found some foul play when investigating the house. They found that it surely looks like acid. Someone started the fire. Jackson is surprised with her. What do you mean? Is there anyone you're suspecting? And then Dak Dindi Upilile goes to see Umabizela to give him money from the loan shark business. Mabizela still tries this Dak Dindi thingy, trying to lure or seduce Pilile. Pilile says, hey, when I'm a married woman, at you, and I'm married nje, at how when I'm married, at yes, 2 wives, at how it's 10, but yes, and I think you'd make a great third wife because you and you understand the business. And then she tells Upilile about it, Petunia about it. Petunia is like, as in, next time he tries anything funny, you must just shoot him. And I think you should tell Umandla. Upilile is like, I can never tell Umandla. Mabizela will retaliate. And then after her husband looked for something in the containers and almost saw the gun, she decides to keep it in her bag. Kanti husband uzobuka a pen. He was looking for a pen and went into her bag because he couldn't find a bag. He couldn't find a pen and went into her bag and found the gun. Manje wambuza ukuthi how Pilile, are you trying to kill me? Funa ungibulala Makhumalo? Because what's the gun for? Wavela ba speechless uMakhumalo. And then Mamiko, on the other hand, Ubizu Delulu, she does not believe that she's pregnant, goes to the hotel, ordera beer. But how? Since when do you drink beer? At any minute, but you were right, she's pregnant. I feel like I'm tired of you guys. I need some air. They get home, they take a lot of other tests because she thought the other one she took was fake or like faulty. They all come out positive. She can't believe it. Leroy is like, how? Show me. Very, this is clear. You are pregnant. Now, who is the father? Umamiki is still looking like faced. That's okay. I'm so sorry for asking this question. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.